Hey, here to do just another video. This is my Glock 26 in 9mm. Empty. Good to go. Alright. Glock 26. 9mm, subcompact. Nice little gun. Perfect for concealed carry. Price, as a normal Glock, $500. Get your Glock of your choice, 500, 550, somewhere in there. As you can see for the size, I should have brought out another gun to compare it with, but it's very short. Has like a 3.5-inch barrel, so that's probably an overall length of 5-6 inches. As you can see, double stack 9mm. Grip is nice and thick, as all Glocks are. Weight, forgot how much it weighs, but it's low 20s. Loaded, not talking empty, but loaded. It's 21, 22 ounces, so it's not too bad. And as you can see, I have the mag grip extension. Makes it nice, getting a full grip. Getting a nice full grip. Without it, that's all you're getting. So if you get a subcompact, definitely get a mag extension. Trigger sights. Normal Glock sights. Trigger, safe action, nothing special there. Uses. This particular model compared to the 26, or 26 compared to the 17 and 19, this is perfect concealed carry for summertime, while a Glock 19 may be better for wintertime concealed carry. But other than that, this is not really made for match shooting, because you could easily get the 17 or the 19, but subcompacts are primarily concealed carry guns. Mags and capacity, as I showed you, 10 rounds. You can get mag extensions with +1, so that's 11. You can use the 19 magazines, the 15 rounds, 17 rounds, 33 rounds, all fit in here. As long as it's 9mm, it'll fit. And just like any other Glock, very simple breakdown. Simple Glock assembly, reassembly, disassemble, field strip, whatever you want to call it. Easy. Accessories, holsters, as I told you, magazines. You can get different back plates. Let's see if you can see that. That outline right there. You can change those out. holsters, just like any other concealed carry gun. Tons of different holsters. There's even pocket carry if you desire, but I think it's a little too thick to pocket carry. Well, I do have a LCR that I pocket carry, but that's a different beast. That's pretty much it. What to say about the Glock? It's a Glock. It works 100% of the time. $500, can't go wrong, especially 9mm. For the size, the price, reliability, you can't get that in 1911. So, thanks for watching.